Hey guys, Jono here from ShopifyX SEO. If you're watching this video, it's because you've taken one of our courses, maybe a free course or maybe one of our Udemy courses. You possibly installed one of our apps. You're part of our community in some way. Recently, we've been getting a lot of messages about providing more content. Essentially, people wanting to know what we do every day to rank our Shopify stores in Google. There's a lot to it. It can get technical, but when you follow processes and you have systems, you simply rank Shopify stores. So what we've decided to do is put together what we believe now is the most comprehensive Shopify SEO course on the planet. We've completely updated our on-page systems, and there's a full on-page section of the course. We've teamed up with some app developers for the core apps we use every day in our Shopify businesses, and they're providing some really cool offers and discounts to use those apps. We now have a comprehensive off-page strategy section, which essentially is where the rubber meets the road to actually build on the foundation of your on-page setup of your Shopify store and then start driving traffic and rankings to your Shopify store. Now, let's go and have a look at the course itself. We'll have a brief look on screen and give you some insight on how comprehensive the course is.
Okay, so here we are in our course dashboard for ShopifyX SEO version 2. Now the idea with this course is to be evergreen. Google's always changing, strategies are changing and evolving, and we always want to make sure that we're up to date with our strategies and ensuring that we're using what's working at any particular point in time. What's working now might not be what's working in 5 years' time or even a year's time. So we always want to be making sure we're up to date and providing you with the best knowledge that we have. Now the structure of the course is essentially the way we would build a Shopify SEO campaign. If you have a brand new store, you can use the process and follow the steps to get your store up and running. If you're an existing store, you can work through to particular sections if you have experience and look at those strategies and decide how you're going to implement the strategies on your store. We obviously provide recommendations, but it's everyone's choice how they want to actually structure the process, but we provide the foundation for you to do that. So you can see up the top here, there are 79 steps so far, and each of those steps are a video. So if we just scroll on down, we can see we have our on-page foundation, and this is, as I mentioned, being completely updated. There's new sections that certainly have helped us write out the recent updates that Google has been rolling out regularly. We recently had one in May that was significant, and all our stores continued to grow and certainly didn't have any negative effects. And then if we scroll on down here, you'll see there's some more sections, and then also we have our off-page section here. Now, this is where the rubber meets the road, and once you've got the foundation of your Shopify store set up, you need to implement off-page strategies to really have that endorsement out there in the net, and that's what will significantly drive rankings and traffic over the long term. Now, we'd really encourage you to jump in. Anyone who is watching this video is going to get this at a significant discount. The code to do that is V2 Early Bird. It's for $97. The public launch price will be $297. And to put that in perspective, our starting base rate for monthly SEO is $1,000, and that's for small stores. So you're essentially getting all the processes that we use every day at the moment for $97, and it will be updated and regular content added all the time. Plus, obviously, you get access to our Facebook group and also access to myself and my team for messaging and help throughout the course. So if you're ready to jump in, hit the button below, use your coupon code to get your discount, and we'll see you on the inside.